Hello students, how are you? I am your Jaheer Sir and welcome to the Jaheer Sir's math class. Today I am going to explain a very shortcut for multiplication. Very easy, you can do it in 10 seconds only. Okay, let us check one question I will write here. 3, 4, 5, 2 into 9, 9. How much time it will take? 99. Okay, one short trick. What is that? You should write this number first. 3, 4, 5, 2. How many 9s are there? 2 9s. So 2 zeros. And then same number again you should write here. 2, 5, 4 and 3. Do the subtraction, you will get the answer. Here 10, 9, here 1. Means again 11, here 4. 10 minus 2, 8, 4, here 11 minus 4, 7, 4 minus 3, 1, 4 and 3. This is your answer. It will take 5 to 6 seconds only. Okay, one more question. 5, 6, 7, 8 into this time 3-digit number. Okay, here 99, here 999. This method, this one also you should write same. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. How many 9s are there? 3 9s. So 3 zeros. And then again this number only you can subtract here. 7, 6 and 5. Do the subtraction, you will get your answer. 10, 9, 9. Here 7. 10 minus 8, 2. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 6, 3. 7 minus 5, 2. Here 7, 6, 5. How much time it will take? 5 to 6 seconds only. Is it? Yes. One more. Here double digit. Here triple digit. Now 4 digit. 7, 8. 6, 2 into 9, 9, 9, 9. 4 digits. So that what is the process? 7, 8, 6, 2. You should write 7, 8, 6, 2 as it is. 4 9s are there. So 4 zeros. And then again you should subtract this number only from here. From this number. 6, 2, 6, 8, 7. Subtract this number. Here borrow 10, 9, 9, 9 and here 1. So 10 minus 2, 8, 9 minus 6, 3, 9 minus 8, 1, 9 minus 7, 2, here 1, 6, 8, 7. This is your answer. Is it easy? Now one more question with 5-digit number. 5-digit largest number. So 3, 4, 5, 7 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 9s are there. 5-digit number. 5-digit largest number. So again same process. 3, 4, 5, 7. How many 9s are there? 5 9s. So 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. And you should subtract this number again from this number. 7, 5, 4, 3. Do the subtraction. Here 10, here 9, 9, 9, 9, here 6. 10 minus 7, 3, 9 minus 5, 4, 9 minus 4, 5, 9 minus 3, 6, here 9, here 6, 5, 4, 3. This is your answer. Is it understood? You can follow the same process and you can do the multiplication with the largest 2-digit, 3-digit, 4-digit, 5-digit or 6-digit, 7-digit number as it is same process only. You can do the answer in 5 to 10 seconds. Is it understood? If you like, please share, subscribe my channel.